Well, my friends, it's finally here. We've set the date. You know about that. It's the 14th of November. We're going to be running from 10:30 till 5:30, and we've got a real action-packed day for you. I said right at the beginning, when you join this site, is that I would really look after our founder members. Our founder members now are set. We've got 20 of you, and that's fantastic. We've got other members, but we have 20 founding members, which is absolutely superb. And I said right at the beginning that I would ask for your advice to help dictate the agenda. And I said I'd look after you. So what's happening on there? We've set the ticket price. It's £45 each. Not for you guys. We put them on general sale for an early bird, and that is for 2 weeks. And we've reduced that price to 40. But for patrons, what I've done is that I'm reducing that price by another £10. So you will actually pay 30. That is for a whole day of entertainment. The most important thing is that I'm going to put up a message later on to our Facebook page and here to show you how to book the tickets. But if you type in when it comes to the code founding member, you'll get the full discount. But it should be a really, really good day. We've spent a lot of time. We've got some fantastic speakers. I'm not going to tell you everything, because there are some really, really good surprises. Safe to say that during that time, it starts at 10:30, finishes at 5:30. That's not the whole day. You can't concentrate on Zoom for the whole lot. And we've got some terrific guests. You will know some of them, but there are some really good guests. We're doing fingerprints, ballistics, eyewitness testimony, contact trace. I'm just looking at my notes here, DNA, and then right at the end, we've got a full crime scene investigation for you guys to carry out, and that's one of the things you asked me to do. So I'm very, very excited about this. I was just about to put it out onto Facebook, but you guys need to know first. So I'm really, really looking forward to working with you. And thank you very much for paying your subscription for this month. So roll on the 14th of November. There's so many other things that I'm not going to tell you about. Some really, really good surprises. So I won't tell you that for patrons, there's going to be an after party. Bye-bye.